A number of internal and external conditions are necessary for trainees to be able to learn and apply what they learn to the job. Internal conditions are processes within the learner and can include things like how information is processed, how it is stored in memory, and how it can be recalled. First, we have to make sure that trainees have the required prerequisites to complete training. Then, to encourage active learning, training content should be meaningful, and trainees should have plenty of opportunities to observe trainers and others demonstrating correct behaviors and opportunities to practice what they learn. External conditions refer to processes in the environment. Both the training environment and the work environment should provide plenty of opportunities for learners to practice the new KSAOs and behaviors that they're expected to learn. Both of these environments should also provide plenty of feedback geared toward helping them improve and also gauge their developmental progress. The support that managers and colleagues offer makes a difference. It includes things like speaking positively about training, encouraging one another to attend training, and asking questions about what others learned from specific training programs. Imagine attending a training program and never being asked to use that skill or that knowledge again. What was the point? The work environment needs to support, it needs to facilitate, it needs to encourage both learning and transfer of training. If it doesn't, some of our efforts are going to be a waste, going to be lost.